In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email template in Zoho CRM, a complete guide for 2025. Let's dive right in. To start off, you'll want to make sure you're on the homepage of Zoho CRM. This is the central hub where you'll manage all your CRM activities, so navigating to the right spot is a breeze when you know where to begin. Once you're on the homepage, you should see various options. Look for the highlighted navigation element on the screen and click on it. This will typically direct you to more specific settings or actions you can take within the CRM. Next, what we want to do is locate the customization section. By clicking on this, you're venturing into the realm where you can tailor the CRM to better suit your business needs, starting with our email templates. Now that you're in customization, direct your attention to templates. Clicking here will bring up a comprehensive list where you can manage existing templates or create new ones. Once you're here, go ahead and find the new template button. This is your go-to for crafting fresh, personalized messages for your contacts. Think about what core information or design your standard communication should include. After selecting new template, you'll notice another highlighted area. Touching on this will typically offer you more refined options to start customizing. These are often organized to help you streamline the process and get the most out of the available functionalities. Keep your creative juices flowing as you ponder what makes the most engaging subject lines, content, and calls to action. Proceeding forward, you're likely to see another highlighted prompt that guides you toward building your email. Exploring these sections will allow you to access features such as template galleries or themes. Feel free to explore these options and pick designs that align best with your communication goals. Once everything looks perfect and you're satisfied with your new template, it's time to lock in all your hard work. Hit the save button to keep your progress. You've successfully crafted a template and saved it in the CRM system, but we're not quite done yet. There's one more step. The system will prompt you once again to save now, ensuring that all of your adjustments are finalized. Clicking this will ensure that your template is securely stored and ready for future use. And there you have it. You've now learned how to seamlessly navigate through Zoho CRM to create and save a bespoke email template that can be utilized on numerous occasions. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your CRM strategy. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it streamlines your email communication moving forward. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tips and guides.